How to view your search history on TikTok. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first, if you just want to view your recent searches, is to tap on home and then go to the search bar. And you can see up at the top the most recent things I've searched are here. But if you want to see all of your searches, even ones you made a long time ago, you'll need to do something different. So let's go back to our profile page. Now, tap on the icon in the top right corner with three horizontal lines. On the box that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you get to Activity Center, which has the little icon of the clock next to it. Next, tap on Search History, which has the magnifying glass icon. Now you can see that I have way more searches than just those first few that appeared on the search box before. You can actually scroll down and see the very first searches you've ever made on TikTok if you haven't deleted them already. If you've deleted any of your search history in the past, it won't appear here. But yeah, here's the full list. Before you go, check this out.